Feel it coming in the air. Hear the screams from everywhere. I'm addicted to the thrill.
I'm ready.
It's a dangerous love affair. Can't be scared when it goes down. Got a problem? Tell me now.
Good morning. My name is Samia Abdullah. I'm running for 7th grade class president. When I become president, I will try to get more days we can wear sneakers. I will also try to get better next for our lunches. Maybe I could get a day in each month where we could wear pajamas to school. I will most likely try to get dress down. Plus, more fundraisers for our school. I'm a loyal and trustworthy person. I'm also very responsible and honest. If you like my ideas, please vote for me, Samia, for the 7th grade class president. Thank you.